Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a reminder and add a space to your calendar on the Twitter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on this third icon down below, and then you will be directed to the spaces section. Here, if you scroll down, you have this get these in your calendar section. Here you can select from these spaces, and if you have found one interesting and would like to set a reminder to it, tap on set a reminder, and as you can see, you will get a notification when this live audio conversation starts. However, if you want to add it to your calendar, tap on it and click on the second option, add to calendar. Here you should choose from two options, such as add to Google Calendar or to your Apple Calendar. Tap on the relevant one, click on OK. Now you should create this new event. Here you can see the title of this space, the link of it. You can select whether it's an all-day event or not. You can select its starting and ending time. You can select whether you would like it to be repeated. You can add the travel time, select your calendar to which you would like to save it, select an alert, add attachment, and add notes to it as well. If you are done with it, click on the add button in the upper right corner of the screen, and now it has been added to your calendar. So the upcoming space was added to your calendar, as you can see. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.